Hi, ladies.
Hi,
I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie, and you're about to go back in time.
Yes, we're Sisters in Stitches, and thanks for joining us. If this is your first time here, we kind of do clothing, beauty, lifestyle, whatever we feel like doing, but that's the majority of our unboxings and reviews. And this month, I get the ThredUp, which is a used clothing company. And for $15 every other month, I get a random box of things that they pick out for me. And I think, was this 1970s or 1980s?
I can't even tell you.
I think it was more like 80s, maybe early 90s.
I did this box once and never did it again.
I've had some luck with them, but not... Okay, well, I'll quickly go through this. This is by LuLaRoe. I didn't even try this one on because it was so unappealing that I couldn't do it. And I mean, I know it just looks normal, but it is a size 2XL. And first of all, 2XL on a plus size woman is really more of a junior thing. So it was so tight and just so god awful ugly. I couldn't even show Debbie, and she's my sister. So how much was this LuLaRoe?
It was normally $36, but you get it through Trunk Club for $16.99.
No, ThredUp.
Or ThredUp.
$17 for this used shirt that I could probably get at Goodwill for
$3.
$3. All right. And this was another item that I could not show you. This was a dress by Michael Kors. Now, Michael Kors is great. I've got some of his shoes.
It's a $90 dress that you can pick up for the small price of $24.99.
Right. And it's like sleeveless, and it just had these little, not much to it, and it had a little belt. It was so tight I couldn't even pull it down over my hips. And this was a size 2X. There is no way this is a 2X. Or it's been washed and dried by somebody previously and shrunk it. So other than the color, I couldn't even show you guys seriously. It was bad. Now, for the stuff that I did show you, oh wait, no, there was one more thing. They sent me these Talbot flats, which they're okay, but I do generally wear a wide, and there's no way these would fit. How much did they charge for these?
They're usually $119, and you can get them for $27.99.
Well, and they're used. So I'm not a fan of used shoes, to be honest with you. But I couldn't even get them on my foot. I felt like Cinderella, you know, and the evil stepsisters trying to put them on. Okay, now this this skirt is also by LuLaRoe, and it was a size 2XL. Okay, this seriously was the most unflattering. I don't really like to wear pleats on skirts just because of my shape. And the front was longer than the back, and it just like sat on my hips. I could have put drinks on either side of my hip. But this was god awful on me.
Terrible.
It reminded me of something from the 80s. I'm serious. Did you say the price already?
It's $36. You can get it for $16.99.
No, thank you. And this is by Crown and Ivory. And actually, it's not a bad shirt, but it just...
This is normally $59 that you can pick up for $21.99.
It's cute. The sleeves are cute. The colors are cute, but it just looks and feels like used, seriously. And I know that ThredUp is a used box, but I think of all the shirts, of everything I tried on, this was the best of them, but I still wouldn't keep it for myself, especially at that price. So unless you guys are seeing something I'm not, I don't know. And then I thought maybe this shirt has potential. This is by Molly and Isadora, and this, I think Dia & Co. sells Molly and
$54 normally, and you can pick it up for $16.
It's just a cute little peplum top, but it's very, very thin. And where the peplum is hitting me, it just accentuates my hips instead of covering them because it's shorter. I don't think it was meant to be shorter, but maybe it was dried or something. And it does have a little bit of sparkle in the threading. I don't know if you can see it, but it's not, it's pretty thin. So this is going to go back too. And I thought of all the shirts that would have the most potential. And this is by Zach and Rachel. I do have some Zach and Rachel stuff.
This normally is $48 and you can pick it up for $18.99.
Yeah, it does have, this is new and never been worn. And this is that ombre look. But again, it's like thin and it just, I don't know, what did you think on me? You said, no way.
I said no.
And I thought, maybe a weekend shirt, but it's really very, very thin. I mean,
looks like something you'd paint in.
yeah, kind of. It's almost, I don't know. It just almost looks like a pajama top to me. So that's going to go back. You guys, seriously? This is Karen Scott. Now, they're brand new. They still have tags on them. But look, they got the elastic.
$44, you can pick it up for $26.99.
And it's that polyester. When you walk, it goes quick, 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 quick. And I felt like I was wearing something my mom wore when I was a little kid. Seriously. There isn't anything
Little
attractive.
kid, my mom wore those when we were grown adults.
These aren't even attractive at all. It's like they had this big bin of clothes and they said, let's throw all these in a box.
Maybe she'll buy a couple and we'll get rid of them.
I'm so disappointed. And then they sent me a dress from North Style.
This retails for $60 and it's actually kind of pricey. You can pick it up for $35.
It's got like this little half like cross body thing going on. And I love polka dots and I love these colors. It kind of reminds me of the Bears. But it's a summer dress and I'm not buying any summer clothes in December so that it just sits on my rack forever. And it wasn't a like, wow, I got to have this dress, but.
So really, she's not keeping one thing out of this box.
One more. Oh, I dropped it. Now this is by
Calvin Klein.
Calvin Klein. What do you think?
It retails for $70 and you can pick it up for $20.
There was no redeeming qualities of the shirt.
It almost looks like there used to be some kind of tie that went through these
Maybe.
holes. And it's missing, but
It's kind of like a dolman sleeve, and it's
not attractive for Calvin Klein. That is not an attractive shirt.
No. Now, it costs $15 styling fee, which you do get credited back. But honestly, I don't think there's one shirt in here that I would keep at all. And I really do feel like it was from the wrong decade. I mean, what do you guys think? Is it just me? Is it because I was sick of trying on clothes or something or styling it? I don't know. But Debbie and I both agreed that it was like,
no, I didn't see one piece where I would say, Cindy, just keep that. That'll be okay.
yeah, it's only going to cost you an extra $2 or something. But
It'll just hang in her closet and take up room and she'll never wear it.
so what do you guys think? And you know what? I see a lot of good thread up regular size, but the plus size, it's every time I see an unboxing, I'm just like,
Yeah.
So what do you guys think? I don't know. I part of me didn't even want to show this video because the clothing just looked so bad on me, but it was just kind of funny because it was just the wrong decade. So
Yeah.
I always show you the good, bad, and the ugly, and I'm afraid this was an ugly box. So we'll just keep this video short and sweet, but thanks for giving us some of your time. Hope we made you smile, even though the box was like, eh. All right, we'll leave you on that positive note, and we will see you all in the next video. Good night, everyone.